bearish flag. Already you can see it. Then when I go to the smaller time frame, I can see a bearish flag. So I'm going to 30 minutes to see whether that bearish flag is there. So now I'm going to 1 hour time frame. Still is the same thing. Okay, once the market breaks out of the bearish flag, we wait for the retest, then we sell the market coming back down. Clean and simple. You understand? For those who don't want to wait. But to me, because me I'm not gonna sell. I don't sell. I wait for the buy. Because when I'm gonna buy here, I like, let me show you something. I bought from here. I'm gonna show you something. I bought from here. Is that I changed my I'm gonna show you. Don't worry, I'll show you. I bought from here. This is why I bought from here. I'm still holding the buy. It's one buy, only one buy. I closed some. It's one buy. Where's my gold? Yeah, this is gold. I'm gonna show you some. Let me delete these things. I'm gonna show you. I'll show you. Let me go to forward time frame. I'm still holding the buy. Look at the buy here. You see? Buy. Same thing. You see, everything it was here. So I was waiting for the market. Very easy and simple. So now this was the order block right over there. You understand? When after the order, this was the order block. After that, I entered a buy. So I hold the market. It came back down. I hold it no matter what. I hold that buy. Even now, NFP came in. I made a lot of money with NFP. It's still going up. Just like that. I don't know. How many trades do I have here? I also have a Nasdaq. I'll show you. I also have Nasdaq. Hey, this boy. You see this boy is not good. Let me show you. This boy is not good. They must take my data and my phones away and my brain. They must take my brains away. I'll show you. I wanna delete this thing first and save this thing because it's clean. This boy is not good. No. This boy is not good. It's not good. I'll show you Nasdaq. Let me go back before. Let me show you how I got the sales on Nasdaq. Hey, let's go to our time frame. Look at this. Look at the sales. This is Nasdaq. This is NAS 100. I only have two things. NAS 100. This is NAS 100. You can see NAS 100 and gold. NAS 100 and gold. 4 hour time frame. Look at the sales. Smashed. I love my strategy. So let's see. So gold also, we are waiting for it to come back down. It must drop, ne? And when it drops, I'm going to wait for it. I can wait for days. I can wait as long as it's gonna come back to this order block. When I buy it here, you'll be like, this is impossible. How are this guy? It's because of once you know that it must do this and this, it will do exactly as like they say we cannot predict the market. That's true, but we can prepare for it. And when you prepare for something, it finds you ready. You understand? It finds you ready. You understand? It finds you ready. It finds you ready. Now, this is the high. It must take out that high because it bought from this low angle. Take out the high. It's coming back down because here it gave us a change of character. Ne? Here, what's happening?
Here to a publish ready video in just a few seconds.
Yeah, so you can see here TikTok was this. So it bought from here. So when it buys from here, that high becomes weak. It buys from here, this high becomes weak. Ne? Then when this high becomes weak, what happens? Now the market was going up. Right exactly here, it gave us a break of structure. Here it gave us a change of character. So I'm waiting for it to come back down to the order block. So I must buy from here, take out this one, and also take out this one to give us a new higher high. A new higher high. So now if the market comes here, ne, breaks this level, if it can break this level, this I break at this low of character, we're going to have a major change of character, something like that, understand? But it won't do that. It won't do that. So it's gonna come here, we buy, we take out this one first, then we keep on buying, we take out the second one. So this is weak. So let me show you on Bitcoin. Let me show you this thing I'm talking about. I want to show you on Bitcoin. I once traded Bitcoin with the same strategy. Yeah, I didn't remove the thank you Jesus. I didn't remove the thing, my analysis. Look at this. Jesus. Look at this. I didn't remove my analysis. Since I remember, look at this. Number 4. You see, it went above until it take out this side. Once it started reversing, I don't have a problem with it. You understand? So this was Bitcoin. Yeah, it's messy, but I know. So let me just try to delete them. I know. Contest. Yeah, it's gonna be clean. It's like playing Candy Crush here. When you do analysis, it's like playing Candy Crush. So this is where I was explaining. You see the structure. I love these structures. Break of structure. The market comes here, then you buy here. You target the high where it comes from. You target where it comes from. That is your target. You can even see here. My target was here, but I was looking for the market to take out this high, this one, and it took it out. Done and dusted. So now you see Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropped. I was not trading it for days, so it dropped. So now this is different now. Here there's no market structure. Here there's no market structure. If you can check clearly, look at how the market is breaking the structure. You know, like there's no market structure here. So when the market is moving like this for me, I don't really usually like. Try to squeeze myself into this kind of like movement in the market. Yeah, I can't look for NAS 100. Hey, I forgot about it. NAS 100. You know, I forgot about NAS 100. I think it was US State or something. But the sell, yeah, it was US State. I used US State. So, but the sell on NAS 100, that one, it was a magic. That one, it was a magic. I'm still holding it even today. Like I'm still holding it. I don't know. I don't wanna lie. So I just have to figure out what like and demand and supply only. So yeah. So let's just clear everything because it's a new week. It's a new week. Like we wanna do new things. So I just have to figure out or Nasdaq inyaka nkotla sekwale inyaka ing. So Mara, I have already found my answer because when I check it on a daily time frame, I can see everything clearly now. So if you can check on daily time frame, look at this. These are the first buyers. These are your reversals. These are your second buyers. So if these are my second buyers, it means I have a clean break of structure. So let's see if I have a clean break of structure. So here, clean break of structure. You see, we found what he's looking for. Nasdaq is looking for something on the. I have a clean break of structure because it closed above the break of structure. So it means we have to look for a demand or a buying zone. So I'm gonna change my chart into a line chart, and I'm gonna choose this one. Then like that. So you see, I found it. It means it's looking for orders here at the bottom, and it found it. It found it. So it found it right over there. So it found it. So when it found it, so what we're gonna do is what we're gonna go to a smaller time frame, maybe 4-hour time frame, and start looking for break of structure, change of character, things like that, or 30 minutes. So here are we looking for? We're looking for the pattern like this. We're looking for a pattern like this. We're looking for a pattern like this. Ne? So okay. We're looking for a pattern like this. Sorry. I can't draw a pillar. I didn't draw it exactly. I don't want to draw it exactly the same way they draw it on Google. So we're looking for a pattern like this on smaller time frame. So this is what we are looking for. Looking for where we're gonna get a break of structure, where we're gonna get our change of character, and where we're gonna get our break of structure again here, and where we're gonna get our demand zone. So we're gonna wait for the market to reverse back here, then we start buying. We start going back up with the market. Okay, well, one reason why some order blocks are failing for me, from my side, my order blocks sometimes they don't fail too much, because there are two ways that I confirm an order block. Understand? There are two ways that I confirm the order block. The first way to confirm the order block for me is going to be the candlesticks that are coming after the order block. The candlestick that are coming after the order block. So it means, let me just go to a chart that is clean. Okay, Bitcoin, I'll clean everything. Gonna buy. So this is my order block right here. So I'm gonna mark it, go straight, mark it as an OP. So now, and also I'm gonna check my candlesticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are all black. It means now it's a very strong order block here. Then I mark as what? Fair value gap. So I know when the market comes back to this one, what happens? It buys. It always buys. So every time I mark my order blocks, whether it's on gold, whether it's on Bitcoin, anywhere, every time it's just like that. See, this is my order block right here on gold. So I count the candlesticks 1, 2, 3, 4. If I don't have a fair value gap, it's fine. But these 4 candlesticks that are black, that for me is my strongest order block. And also, what helps me to confirm the order block again, it's break of structure. Once I see these, I see a strong candlestick that is breaking the structure, I know that the last candlestick before the market started buying is my order block. And then I count the candlestick, or oh, they're all black, that is my order block. It's a valid one. Then when the market comes there, what happens? It buys. That's how I confirm the order block for me, from my side. So even here, or the market, you see this one, it's my order block here. This is my order block right over there. So how do I know that it's valid? So simple. I'm gonna do the very same thing that I'm doing every time. So I'm gonna mark it as an order block. Then after that, I'm gonna check a break of structure. There is the break of structure there. So, that is my BOS. So after that becomes my BOS, I check the candlesticks that are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are all red. That means that one is very strong. So what happens when the market reaches there? It taps there and it starts going back down. You understand? That's how I confirm the order block on my side. That's how I confirm that order block on my side. So I don't know, some people they do it differently, but to me, this is how I do it every time. So when I analyze the market and things like that. So even on Nasdaq now, on Nasdaq, just like that, I check. Okay, I got a break of structure on daily time frame, a clean one. Then this is my order block. These are my favorite lookups. So I can't again say 1, 2, 3, 4. They are clean candlesticks. So means the market is going to tap here and it will start buying. From tomorrow, I'm looking for Nasdaq to start pushing back up. Start pushing back up. Start pushing back up. Start pushing back up. Just like that. You get it, guys. So you get it, guys. That's how. So another thing I want to show you is that there are times where the market don't be confused between don't be confused between an inner structure and an outer structure. So now there's something that I'm seeing on Nasdaq, and this can confuse a lot of people. And when it confuses a lot of people, they make mistakes. There's an inner structure and there's an outer structure, guys. So now there's a way that the market can go like this, né? And when it goes like this on this trend, it can create sorry, like this, né? It goes like this. On this trend, it can create another thing like this. So now let it be smaller, so, and this one be bigger. See, there's a difference now. Watch this. I'll show you. Watch this. Watch this paper. Watch this paper. So this is an outer structure. This is an inner structure. It's on this trend. So these are buyers. These are buyers. These are sellers. You get it? So this is where the major break of structure happened. This is just the break of structure of an inner structure here. So when the market reverses back down, most people will be like, Unstoppable showed us that when we see this kind of structure, we're gonna mark here and the market is gonna buy here. Then when you buy, the market doesn't go your direction. It just wing. Why? Because this is an inner structure. The bigger one is this one. This is where the bigger one happened. This is where the sellers happened. This is where these buyers took out the sellers here with the break of structure. Now this is where we're gonna have our accurate buying and we go up. So let me show you on Nasdaq. The scenario on Nasdaq. The bigger one is here when the sellers took the market down, and where the buyers took the market from this point to that point. So whenever the market reaches this level, it will look like it's gonna buy. You understand? And when you buy, then after that, you understand, it's gonna take you out. It's gonna go back where? On the origin. It's gonna go back to the origin. So let me show you. I bring back the candlesticks. Ne? When I bring back the candlestick, I'm looking for a break of structure, a clean one. So this is a clean break of structure. Ne? So even this one, it's a break of structure, but it's not. It's an inner one. You can't use this one. Whenever everything is gonna be there. Even the order block is gonna be accurate. Everything is gonna be there. Understand? You count the candlesticks 1, 2, 3. You get it clean, but it's a trap. You don't use that one. This one, this one trap. You don't use it. Okay? This one trap. Don't use it. It's for the inner structure. Trap. You don't use it. You want the major one now. This is the major. Every time, look for the major one. So if that is your major one, it means now the market is always gonna go back to the order block, which is this one. You see, it came back to the order block. It must start buying from this level now. See, that was a trap. This is the true one. Because there's no other one. You can check, there's no other one. All of these ones are inner structures, inner structures, inner structures. We don't mind them. We want where the sellers are. We want where the sellers were trying to pull back down the market. And the buyers came in again and took them out. That's what we want. So, Oscar, don't take traps. There are a lot of traps. The strategy is perfect, but once you cannot differentiate between an outer structure and an inner structure and a break of structure and a change of character, you cannot use this strategy. You cannot use this strategy. Understand? Whenever I draw something like this, just know that every time, that's why I say, these are what? I'm always seeing this one. First buyers, second buyers. You understand? Then the sellers will come back to the order block. Then the buyers will take over again. You must get that. 4 hour time frame.